in here like this. Let everything relax. Hold. Chest and breathe out. Oh. Oh.
We would like to share with you our experience with a chiropractic checkup. It was done at the Health and Happiness Center located in the Jumeirah Lakes Towers on September last year. We came first for the consultation and then we came back with the result of the x-ray they requested. Here it is.
It goes the opposite way that where it's supposed to. And because of that, if you see here, compared to the other vertebrae,
Closer.
yeah, it looks like big.
Yeah.
So that means there's degeneration already.
Okay.
And for this to get to this phase, it takes 10 or 15 years.
Really?
This
That means it happened when he was like really
younger,
young.
younger, yeah. So
Has
it's
it been
not
like a
that-
trauma or accident?
Can
or-
be. That
Okay.
was the
Initial.
question that Dr. Dean asked Mr. Hussein. Is there any accident or like whiplash injury or
Okay.
fall or something like that? Because for your age, it's too advanced.
Okay.
Yeah. Compared to if you compare it to average. Yeah.
Okay.
And then this is a back. We need that from the back.
All right.
Left.
Okay.
It's not too bad.
So okay.
There's a little bit like.
It's not too much of the adjustment.
Yeah. This is from the side, so this part.
Okay.
From the side is supposed to go with the green lines, but
Okay.
the red one is a bit black because of the neck.
Okay.
Going forward. Okay. And this is the on the
It's
left.
on the other side. Okay.
Right, left. It's a bit tilting on the left, but it causes some also like
Yeah.
twisting. And this is from the side.
Of the neck.
Also,
Of the
the
bone.
lower,
Sorry.
yeah.
Oh,
It's supposed to follow the green line, as you can see, it's not.
Yeah.
But the disc here are better than the disc on the
In
neck.
the neck.
Yeah.
Okay.
But it's already phase 2 as well. Phase
Oh,
2
okay.
degeneration.
Okay.
So that
All right. All right.
Yeah.
Thank you. Na-adjust yung mga matatanda. Uy.
A few moments later.
Push on, obviously you're going to feel it. And you're going to make some noise here. You ready? Bend your knees. So what you do for me is take a big deep breath in, blow it all the way out. You're going to feel a quick little push here. Can you turn on your side so you're facing everything relaxed? We're going to come right through here. Now go to the other side. I don't know. My last Facebook, I weighed about 15 kilos more. So
Really?
I don't know if it was me or somebody else. Oh! So happy belated birthday. Elbows in the chest and breathe out. Oh. One more time. Anterior T4. And sit up. That's an adjustment. You're not going to fall over. But you feel all those spots there? That's where the headaches and all that stuff comes from. So we're going to come right in here like this, let everything relax. Oh!
Yeah, that's the only.
Scary, right?
That's the only birthday gift he wanted.
All right, C2 on the right. The only birthday gift. Oh, shit. C. 4 left. When's your birthday? Last one?
24th
24th of August.
September.
September, sorry.